Hey everybody, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching. So today I'm launching my brand new Happy Mail wax seal stamp kit. So you get your whole kit here, which will enable you to create your wax seals. It has everything you need. You then also have the all occasions. These are 3 metal stamps in here, which will coordinate with this. You've then got these 3 pots here, so you've got your pink mix beads, green mix beads and your metallic mix beads, and you also have a cooling plate. So this will allow you to create your wax seals ahead of time. It will also speed up the cooling process and it makes it really easy to remove them as well. So let's first of all have a look inside the stamp kit. So like I said, you've got everything you need here to be able to create your wax seals. You have your stove, oven, your burner. It has a few names. You have your metal spoon. You have your glass jar here with 3 colours, the silver, the gold and the white. This is the Happy Mail stamp, and this will unscrew and allow you to attach the others in the occasion set. That little black dot on the back there is so that I know that it's the right way up. So when I am stamping directly onto an envelope, you don't want an upside down sentiment. And you've also got your candle. This is just a standard tea light, so once this has run down, you can use any tea lights underneath the burner there. In the occasions set here, you have 3 additional stamps. Again, like I said, these all unscrew and will attach to, both of the handles. So you've got You Did It, Happy Birthday, and Big Thanks, which is one of my favourites and one that I will be using a lot. You've then got your metallic mix. You will have a lot more in yours. I have been using this, but you have your copper, bronze colour, gold and silver. In the green mix, you have the yellow, green and the blue. Again, yours will be a much fuller pot, but these will all mix together nicely as well, so you can create other shades and colours. And then you've got the pink mix. So this one has your purple, pink and red. Again, mix those together to create different colours, or just keep them as they are. And then the cooling plate. This here you can pop in the fridge for about 30 minutes before you're going to use it, and it will really speed up the cooling process. It's almost instant. Or just keep it at room temperature, and again it's still pretty quick. This is a great tool to allow you to create your wax seals, play around with techniques before you actually add them onto the envelope. And you can see here all of the ones that I've been making. I've had so much fun with these, and I've got so many more ideas that I want to try. So you can see this one here, this is the Happy Mail stamp, and I've used a metallic pen on the font there. You can see this one here with the glitter added. Really nice effect. You can see how the colours look. So that's your pinks and the purple there and the red. So those are the colours from the pink mix. And then you can see here your colours from the green mix. Again, the You Did It. Big Thanks. Like I said, my favourite one, that one. And let's just show you the Happy Birthday there, just so you can see the 3 occasion ones there and how they look. And then these 3 here are from the metallic mix. You've got the Happy Birthday there, the You Did It in the gold, and then the Big Thanks there in the copper. It's got such a nice font. You'll also see here I've made some charms. I've got a separate video showing you how to make these. I have a video showing you lots of tips and techniques, so how to use things like gilding flakes, how to add the glitter, how to mix colours. But I also then was playing around and made these little charms, and I thought they'd be great for if you're sending any happy mail. And you'll see how I've added these onto the envelopes as well. And then this is the colours that come in the kit, so in that glass jar. Again, you can see how the Happy Mail looks there. I've popped these up on some foam so I can just stick them directly onto the envelope, or you can pour a very small amount of hot wax onto the envelope and then just reattach that. And you can see there the Happy Mail, the You Did It, the Happy Birthday. They're really lovely. Just that finishing touch. They just look wonderful on your envelopes. And I will show you some examples here. So these are all empty envelopes. It's just to give you an example of how you can decorate them. So I've just wrapped this like a parcel, and you can see the little charm there with the Happy Mail on, which I thought was really nice. This one here, just using a wax seal in the most traditional and simplest way, and that's just pouring it straight on and using your stamp. So I haven't mixed anything. I've not used any ribbons, anything else. That is just the pink beads and the Big Thanks stamp there. This one was using the metallics, and I was just playing around with the ribbon there. Thought that was a nice effect. Another one here. This is how I did my Christmas cards last year, with the twine up here, so I still had space to be able to write their name. And you can add your stamps. Anything like this I would pop in a box envelope, or I'd hand deliver. But I have received cards myself with wax seals on that have gone through normal post, but I know that will vary depending on where you live. And then this one here, I use the craft card and the baker's twine with the copper mix there and the happy birthday. And then these ones here are just using some different papers. I've added glitter to this one here with the happy birthday. Love this one with the happy mail. I use this sun that I just fussy cut. And then this one here has got the gilding flakes. And again, that ribbon just tied through. So those are just a few examples. I will be doing live demonstrations today at 12:30 over on the Craft Stash Facebook and YouTube channels, so tune in there. I will also be sharing 2 videos showing you lots of tips and techniques on how to use your kit right from the beginning and then how to add different things to them. You can use feathers, you can add dried flowers. There's so many lovely ways to use the wax. And I will also be sharing, like I said, that video showing you how to make little charms as well. As always, all of this new product will be linked in the description box below, along with the link to the live today. And once those other videos have gone live, they will be coming up here, so you'll be able to click on those and watch those next. Thank you as always for watching today. I hope you love this new collection from me, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.